Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2025 Volkswagen T-Roc. This compact crossover has been a major player in its segment, and the latest iteration promises some exciting updates. So, let's see if the T-Roc can hold onto its crown. Design. First up, the look. The 2025 T-Roc isn't a radical departure from the previous model, but it does boast some sharper details. We're talking slimmer headlights, a more prominent grille that pays homage to the new Tiguan, and possibly even a light bar connecting the taillights for a sleeker rear end. Overall, it maintains that sporty, urban vibe with a touch of sophistication. Interior. Now, let's hop inside. The interior is expected to receive a tech upgrade with a new digital instrument cluster and a potentially larger touchscreen infotainment system. Volkswagen always prioritizes comfort, so you can expect supportive seats and ample space for passengers and cargo, perfect for city adventures or weekend getaways. Performance. Under the hood, things get interesting. This might be the last hurrah for gasoline-powered T-Roc models, with rumors suggesting a focus on upgraded engines to meet stricter emission standards. We're likely looking at a range of turbocharged petrol engines. The 1.0-liter and 1.5-liter options are strong contenders, along with a possible diesel variant. All-wheel drive might be available for those who crave extra grip. Here's the exciting part: whispers of a plug-in hybrid version are swirling around. This could be a game-changer, offering both electric power for emissions-free commutes and a gasoline engine for longer trips. We'll have to wait for official confirmation on that one, though. Unique selling points. So, what makes the T-Roc stand out? Well, it's the perfect blend of practicality and fun. It's maneuverable enough for city streets but still packs a punch on the highway. Plus, Volkswagen is known for its excellent build quality and safety features, making the T-Roc a reliable and secure choice. This car is ideal for young professionals, small families, or anyone who wants a stylish and versatile crossover that won't break the bank. The 2025 Volkswagen T-Roc is shaping up to be a strong contender in the compact crossover segment. It offers a compelling combination of design, performance, and practicality. Whether you're looking for a daily driver or a weekend explorer, the T-Roc is definitely worth a closer look. Stay tuned for more updates as we learn more about the official release and specs. Let us know in the comments below what features you're most excited about in the new T-Roc. And if you're considering a compact crossover, would the T-Roc be on your short list? Thanks for watching.